Okay, this is a slight departure from the videos I normally make. It's not going to be about bikes or choppers. I'm in the house, I'm in the basement, and I'm doing surgery on my two outboard engines for my small 12-foot John boat. This past summer, I bought this 12-horse Chrysler motor off a buddy of mine. I think it's a 78, 77, something like that, or 79. And the pull start handle, the rope, broke on me, and it was fouling out plugs a lot. So I pulled the pull starter mechanism, pulled the carburetor, cleaned it up a little bit. I found all the bad parts on the mechanism. I ordered them up last night. Spool was all cracked. The bottom spring retainer end is about to break, so I'm going to replace all that. And a new string, obviously, because that's what broke last summer. So I had to put my backup motor on, which is known to my buddies as Old Reliable. It's a 7.5 horse Evinrude. Runs great. Never did me wrong yet. So I figured I'd tune her up while I'm working on the Chrysler. I pulled the carburetor out, and I'll do the plugs and everything else like that and the points. Here's the Evinrude's carburetor. She's seen better days, so I gotta get her cleaned up. And the other carburetor for the Chrysler is soaking in the carb cleaner chemicals. I couldn't get that cork gasket out. I didn't want to take it out because I didn't want to break it. So if it holds up, I'll try to reuse it. It's hard to track them down for these old things. So that's what's going on. Trying to do a compression test on the Chrysler, and I don't have a spare pull string to pull it and do a compression test, and it's too late tonight, but I could go out and use my high-speed electric drill and just start it from the top, just enough to get compression, see if she gets up around 120. So that's that. I'm in the basement. Oh, here's my fender for the 1940 UL, by the way. It's all ready to go for paint. And this is where we put the hot tub in the wintertime. It's one of them blow up inflatables. Works great. Chopper's on TV, just not down here in the basement. I wish I could get my bikes in the basement. I'd never leave. All right, talk to you later when I get these running in a trough of water so you can see that action. I have some older videos of when they were running, so I'll put them up on YouTube. Let me get back at it.